Hello viewers, we're still on solving problems on geometric progression, and we have a very unique question here. Now find the first term and common ratio of a geometric progression GP whose third term is 36 and fifth term is 324. So when you see a question of this nature, it means you're going to solve it simultaneously. So that's what we are going to do. Now, we are asked to first term, let me take down the values. First term A is what we are asked to find also. And then the common ratio R is also what we're asked to find. So we are going to find it simultaneously. And so looking at this, we've been told that our third term, of course, the general formula for a GP is A R raised by n minus 1. And so we've been told that the value of our third term is equal to 36. So what that means is T3 equal to 36. And the value of our fifth term is this, so T5 equal to 324. And so this is how we are going to use this general formula, bring in 3 here to represent the third term, and then which is equal to 36, and then that of the fifth term. So our first equation is going to look this way. The Tn is 36. That is for the third term. Okay, let me put it for the third term. The equation is, so we are going to have 36 equal to, that is, the all of this is equal to 36 from our question, equal to A R raised by n. Our n is 3 because we are dealing with third term, minus 1. So this one will give us 36 equal to AR. 3 minus 1 is 2. We call this our equation 1. And so for the fifth term, so we are going to have that our fifth term was equal to this. So we have 324 equal to A R raised by, we are dealing with fifth term, so it's minus 1, 5 rather, minus 1. So we are using this formula. Note this formula, that's what we are using to substitute those values. And so this will be equal to 324 equal to AR. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is our equation 2. So we are going to bring in our equation 1 and 2, and then we solve it simultaneously. So for the sake of convenience, we take this to this other side and take this to this other side. The same thing applies to equation 2. So we are going to have that AR squared equal to 36. This is our equation 1, and AR raised by 4 equal to 324. This will now serve as our equation 2. And so in geometric progression, since we are talking about common ratio, it means we are going to do what? Divide. So I can say equation 1 divided by equation 2. So this will be AR squared all over AR raised by 4 equal to, we divide this and divide this, 36 divided by 324. So AR squared is the same thing as saying A times R all over A times R4 is the same thing as saying times this times this times this. This is equal to 36 divided by 324. So we can cancel out this twice. So we are left with A over A. R times R will be R squared equal to 36. Okay, 36 over 324. So we can cancel out A, and so we have 1 over R squared equal to, let's cancel out this and see what we have at the end of the day if we are to divide 36 by so this will be okay. If we don't, okay, 36, so we have can we use 2? Okay, 2 into 3, 1 into 1 remainder, 1 into 16, 8. 2 into 3, 1 remainder, 1 into 6 into 12, 6. Here we have 2, so we can go with 2 again. 2 here, 9. 2 here, 8, 1. We can take 9 again. 9 here, 1. 9 into 81, 9. So we are left with 1 over r squared equal to 1 over 9. So we can cross multiply. When we cross multiplying, so when we cross multiply, we'll have 9. Okay, we have 1 times r squared, that is 1 times r squared equal to 9 times 1. So 1 times r squared is r squared equal to 9 times 1 is 9. And so since we are looking for r, we say find the square root of both sides of, we can call this one equation 3. So we say find the square root of both sides of equation 3. And so when we do that, we are going to have square root of r squared equal to square root of 9. So this square will cancel out this. So our r will be equal to square root of 9 is 3. So we've been able to determine that our common ratio is 3. And so since we've gotten that, we can now substitute the value of our common ratio into either equation 1 or 2 to find our first term. So let's have this here. And so since we have a common ratio to be r, we can now say substitute r equal to 3 into equation 1. Let's use equation 1. So when we do that, we are going to, this is ar squared equal to 36. This is our equation 1. And so if we bring in the value of r here, we are going to have a into r is 3, or raised to power 2 equal to 36. And then 3 raised to power 2 is 9, so we have a into 9 equal to 36. So 9 times a will give you 9, a equal to 36. And so since we are looking for a, we divide, we can call this equation 4. So divide both sides of equation 4 by 9. So when we do that, we are going to have 9a over 9 equal to 36 over 9. 9 here, 1, 9 here, 1. 9 here, 1, 9 here, 4. So our a equal to 4. So for this question, our common ratio r equal to 3, and our first term a equal to 4. So that is how to go about this sort of question, and I hope you understand.